Hey guys, we're at Lowe's. I came here with my sister. We're gonna be looking at the disgusting washers here. So, oh my, Amana is this. What the heck? The agitator is like, okay, it's not bad. What are these suspension rods? What is that? Like, ew. That's horrible. Amanda, do better. Okay. Pretty nice whirlpool. I'm scared. Oh, it's basically a Maytag on steroids. I really don't care what people think about me. Like, they can call me weird. But let's... is this a 2-in-1 removable agitator, or did I just break this? Okay, it is. Thank God. Nice. I like, what happened there? This one. Oh, they still make these? Look-y, I'd buy this one. It's kind of nice. Nor my dirty hands. But low-key is kind of nice. There's another 2-in-1 removable agitator with. See, is this not recording with the jet? There it is. Don't know if you guys can see it. Here's a nicer one. It's ginormous. Holy poo. Probably gonna get copyright for the music. Oh, here's GE. This one's pretty nice. It's big. The microband. Okay, another GE. Ooh. Samsung gives me heebie-jeebies. Okay. Oh, not bad. Not bad. Not bad. Okay. Let's go check out some GEs and LGs. Oh, here's a GE. Oh my, horrible wash quality is this. Taylor, you're amazing, but please stop. I'm gonna get copyrighted. Smart laundry hub. What the Samsung is this? I like the door. Like, the door is nice. Come on. Say hi.
Hello.
I'm filming. Give me a couple minutes. Here's another nice LG. Turbojets. Nice. It doesn't turn on. No, it doesn't.
Yes, it does.
See?
Look, this thing.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you're talking about that.
Yeah.
Oh. Nice washer. Basic. I've never seen a 4.5. Oh, I think I broke it. Okay. Weird. What in the goofy? Okay, this is a nice basic GE. Like, I don't mind this. I don't like that you can do that. Oh, wait. I didn't know GE did that. Ooh, that's some goofy ass Samsungs. Ooh. Okay, Samsung low-key makes some nice doors. Like, they make some pretty nice doors. This one looks nice. Hello. This one looks nice. What is this one? Let's look at the Maytags. Oh, I don't like that. Detergent, water. It's pretty deep. I don't like how deep that is. Agitator. Don't mind Taylor in the background just cooking up some goofy on music. I can't tell. Is there plugs back here? They can get plugged in, and yet they still don't. Wait, you're joking. Okay, that's so gay. Got the more basic agitator. Nice. Are literally the same. Slam 3 lids. Yummy. Ooh, that's a nice GE profile. It shouldn't be able to do that, but Okay, it has some nice suspension rods. Pretty nice. We don't have any. Ew. Really, Samsung? You had to make it look. I don't think it should do that. I think someone. Hello? Hold on, guys, sorry. You shouldn't be able to stop it without the tub. Like, look. Hold on, let me put it in 0.5. Thank you. Look. You shouldn't be able to do that, Samsung. That's not good. Okay, Maytag. I've actually never been inside of these. Let's see what's inside. Interesting. Any more over here? Ooh, we got all the LG top loaders. Oh god, what is this? Should I be scared? It looks pretty nice, not gonna lie. Plug it in? No? Can it? Yep. That's really annoying. Okay. Ooh. It's freaking plastic. Oh my god. Suspension rods. Okay. Oh, my bad. Pretty nice. Got the white version. Boop. Got another basic top load. Okay. Actually, has a shift actuator on this. And I like this one. Oh, ready? Satisfying. Nice. Okay. Okay. I'm not judging. I would never judge. Why? Why the most basic one? Like, why? I mean, at least has a slam-proof lid, but it's so basic. Oh, we got some whirlpools. Yeah, those are the washers. Wait, that's dumb. Wait, did they really get rid of the multi-thing door? I don't think. If they did, I'm pretty upset. Oh, they did it for this one. Okay, so you have to grab that little thing. Okay, that's nice. What about this one? This one, same thing. Okay, it's pretty nice inside too. Oh, the mega capacity. Holy big. For like, oh, hello, very unbalanced. Ow. The lid slammed on my head. Okay. Kind of just circling now. Nice mana dryer. Let's go check out some fridges. Oh, oh. My parents said I might get this microwave. Holy giant. Really? Sorry, guys. Holy ginormous for absolutely no reason. Okay. Wait, Loki. Loki, this is actually kind of nice. Okay. Okay. I wonder if they have these plugged in. Oh, they do. Okay, wait, how do I open it? Oh my god, wait. They forgot. Hold on. They low-key forgot. That's crazy. Okay, we got this. Oh. These always flop. Like, they fail. Oh, we got the freezer drawer. How do I open? I forget how to open. Is there like a button? Okay, there's no button. Where'd the button go? Around the world, Lex. Around the world. Okay. What? In like 5 minutes. Is this plugged in? What? Hold on. Hold on, my sister's pressuring me because she's a big back. Okay. Look at this. Of course, they copied LG. I mean, hold on, Lexi. Do you want to get fought? Okay, well, I'm about to get crashed out on if I don't leave. So yeah, let's go. Okay, bye guys. Pretty nice. Bye. Hey guys, we are at Home Depot. I'm looking at washing machines again. This one looks nice. Ooh. Open it. Oh. Wait, why is it big? Oh wait, ew, it smells weird. Ugh, smells crusty. Oh, it's not bad. Okay, what the GE Ultra Fresh is this? It's actually relatively big. Sorry. Okay. None of these are plugged in. And it annoys me. Okay, we got a nice LG. Yeah, like, oh. Okay, I'm not actually gonna lie. I actually kind of like this. Like, I'm not lying. I actually really like this. Like, listen to the clicks. I don't like this. Hello? LG? You're not supposed to, I mean, like, I like the white on white design, but, or white on black, sorry. That one I understand. Yeah, like, see the black one has like the normal impeller. I want to see if I can find a Samsung. Ooh, the Samsung sucks. Here's one. Oh, run. There's people, and I hate being socially awkward. Okay, back we go. Sorry. I don't know if I'm gonna decide to add this one. Oh my god. No, this one does it too. Just like the last one I showed you. Say hi to my sister. Oh my god, it does the same thing. What the heck? Stop, that's dumb. Lexi, what do you think of the design of this one?
I like it.
Okay, now follow me. What do you think of the design of this one? Okay. What about this one?
I like it.
Okay, what about this one? Okay. So she does not like the AI ones. Okay, what about this Goofy All Crust DEGE?
Okay.
Would you like it being in our basement?
Are you buying it?
What?
Are you buying it?
I mean, I very well could if I save up enough money. What the actual suspension rod non-existent is this? Okay. Let's go look at this, LG. That's a flaw that LG needs to fix. Okay, I like the impeller ones. I think my sister's already done with me. Pretty good suspension rods. Are you already done with me, Lex?
Huh?
Are you already done with me?
Sure.
Okay. Oh, here's the impeller. Yeah, see, even this one has, like, the actual, like, impeller. You can see my reflection. Like you can like see. This one also has it. Wait, what was I saying but this one for? And then, what is that lid lock? Oh God, no. Yes. But this one has plastic everywhere, plastic impeller, a plastic lid. Oh, I zoomed in. Okay, my bad. It's so bad.
Second product from Depot.
Let's check this Whirlpool. Never check these Whirlpools. Oh, what the 2-in-1 removable agitator is this?
Oh. Okay.
Lexi, it's a 2-in-1 removable agitator. You can remove it. My sister doesn't know anything about washing machines. Don't mind her. She's goofy, yeah. Oh, another Preston GE. Nice. Great, better, and best is crazy. What about this one? Yeah, impeller. Mayside has not. Oh, they fixed that. They have no. Like 10 more minutes. 10. I've not fixed their impeller since like 1,000 years. Okay, this one. There we go. It doesn't even have. Okay, that's dumb. Let's check. This is a $500 Samsung. Wait, how? Oh wait. What? What'd you say? No. I don't know. You need to ask her. You're asking me. Of course they have an add 5-year protection on a Samsung. Okay. There's a Samsung front loader. It looks decently big. There's another top loader. I think. Okay, this one actually. Oops, sorry. This one actually has like what is an actual impeller. Oh, hot point. Okay, the agitator is bad. It's just the suspension rods. And there's no side protection. What do you know? Another GE. Another GE. GE. Okay, let's check out the front loaders now. We're done with the top loaders. It's a nice, the Jeep LG. I don't think that's supposed to happen. Hello? Okay, that does not sound good. Isn't plugged in because they're goofy. Here's the vented. Obviously, it's vented. Here's, I think that's a gas dryer. No, it's an electric. Okay. Y'all, alarm just went off. Sorry. Here's another nice. Where's the LG steam dryer? So thank you. Very nice. I don't really like it because of how high it has to be. Where'd the door go? Everything else is nice. What in the build quality? Hold on. That bends a lot. Let's check inside of this one. I like the smell of it. Don't call me weird. Ooh. Again? What is that noise? It scares me. I don't like that. What does this do? It's dead. Oh no, it ain't. Wow, there's a control so crappy. Okay. Nice steam dryer. What's this? Another water test. Wow. this dryer. I cannot touch any of that. Okay. I like this. Actually, no, I don't. Build quality. LG, come on. Let's check. Oh my God, Mega Drum. Oh, got the atomizing spray rinse. Oh, and you have this little thing. I think all of them have it. I just forgot to tell you. Okay. We have the mini washer. I know. There's my sister being Alexi. I think she's trying to whistle. Get her help, guys. Yeah, here's the mini washer. What? Okay, well, another 5. Wow. Maybe just 5 to go down the line. Please. Please. Please.